Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tabby in Dubai. So before you start shopping, you need Tabby account. So in order to have your Tabby account, you will have to first of all hop on to your Google Play Store or App Store, and here you need to simply search for Tabby app. Now once you found it, you need to simply install it in your device, and then you need to launch in order to create your account over here. Now in order to create your account, you need to tap on the profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and click on the login or sign up option. Over here, first of all, you need to just tap on this drop down menu and select United Arab Emirates, and after that you just have to provide your phone number here and then press continue in the bottom. After that, on the next page, you just have to provide further details, like you need to provide your Emirates ID and further payment details. Now once you registered successfully, you can easily use it in order to shop with zero interest and no hidden fees. So here you need to simply choose Tabby as your payment method at checkout. Then you need to select pay in 4 installments or pay next month. Afterwards, you need to simply complete your purchase and pay only the first installment. So Tabby works with popular brands like Noon, Namasi, IKEA. You can view those brands by tapping on this featured store section. So here you can just take a look at these. So once you make the payment on these stores or any of your favorite stores that is tied up with Tabby, Tabby will automatically deduct the remaining payments from your account every single month. So you can pay installment. So you can pay in installment with Tabby. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.